This video could change how you see side hustles. No audience is not a disadvantage anymore. What if attention was optional now? What if skills mattered more than followers? What if AI handled the hard parts? Most people start wrong from day one. They chase views instead of systems. Today you build income before influence. That order matters more than you think. Stay through the end for the overlooked shortcut. You do not need a personal brand. You do not need fancy editing. You do not need viral luck. You need leverage and timing. AI provides both right now. The goal is simple recurring value. Value sells even without an audience. Businesses pay for outcomes. AI speeds delivering outcomes. That is the entire game. First, understand what sells quietly. Look for boring, expensive problems. Think time drains inside businesses. Scheduling content drains teams. Customer replies drain founders. Ad testing drains marketing budgets. Data cleanup drains operations. AI can handle these invisibly. Invisible work pays best. Nobody cares who you are. Step 1 is choosing one problem. Pick something businesses already pay for. Avoid new markets. Avoid trendy consumer apps. Focus on small US businesses. They want speed and reliability. Restaurants, salons, agencies, contractors. They outsource constantly. AI makes you the fastest option. Speed beats perfection here. Step 2 is selecting a simple offer. Do not sell AI. Sell saved time or money. For example, automated review responses. Or weekly social posts generated. Or basic ad creatives tested quickly. Or email inbox sorting. Keep the promise narrow. Narrow offers close faster. Complexity kills early momentum. Step 3 is building the workflow. This is where AI shines. Use Jasper for fast copy drafts. Use Midjourney for unique visuals. Use Runway for quick video assets. Use Notion AI to organize outputs. Use Zapier to connect everything. Automation replaces a team. You oversee quality only. That leverage is your advantage. Notice you still have no audience. That is intentional. Clients come from outreach. Smart outreach beats posting daily. Start with local Google searches. Find businesses with weak online presence. Look for outdated websites. Look for inconsistent branding. These are opportunity signals. They already need help. Step 4 is simple outreach. Keep messages short and specific. Mention the exact issue noticed. Offer a small fix. No long proposals. No attachments. Just a clear result. Businesses respond to clarity. Personalization beats volume. 10 messages can be enough. Step 5 is fulfillment speed. Deliver faster than expected. AI lets you do this. Same-day delivery surprises clients. Surprise builds trust quickly. Trust leads to repeat work. Repeat work stabilizes income. Stability beats spikes. This is how you scale calmly. No stress chasing virality. Pricing should feel boring. Monthly retainers work best. Flat, simple packages convert. Avoid hourly confusion. Sell outcomes per month. For example, 50 social posts monthly. Or inbox management weekdays. Or ad creative refreshes weekly. Clients love predictability. Predictability pays rent. Now let's talk setup cost. Most tools cost less than dinner. Many have free trials. Start lean intentionally. Upgrade only after revenue. Do not stack subscriptions early. One workflow is enough. Master it deeply. Depth beats tool collecting. Profit comes from execution. Payment should be frictionless. Use Stripe for invoicing. Send clear, simple invoices. Net monthly billing preferred. Businesses understand this. No complicated contracts initially. One-page agreements suffice. Keep legal simple early. Momentum matters more. You can refine later. Customer communication needs structure. Use Tidio for website chat or simple email routing. Fast replies win deals. iDrafts responses instantly. You approve and send. This feels personal to clients. They never see the AI. They only see speed. Speed equals professionalism. At this point, income is possible. Still zero audience. That is powerful. You are not exposed to algorithms. You are not chasing trends. You control client acquisition. This is real business. I is just infrastructure. Infrastructure scales quietly. Quiet businesses last longer. Here is the overlooked growth lever. Document your processes early. Every step written clearly. This allows delegation later. I plus humans scale together. Eventually you stop fulfilling. You manage systems instead. That is optional upside. Start simple first. Complexity comes after revenue. Quick reminder before moving on. Subscribe and enable alerts now. This channel breaks strategies early. Missing uploads costs opportunities. Stay informed compounds fast. Back to the playbook. Step 6 is reinvestment. Reinvest into better automation. Better automation increases margins. Margins buy freedom. Avoid common beginner mistakes. Do not overbuild websites. Do not chase branding perfection. Do not copy influencers. Their model needs attention. Yours does not. Focus on client results only. Results create referrals. Referrals remove outreach pressure. That is the flywheel. Regulations will evolve. Businesses will stay confused. You become the trusted operator. Operators survive shifts. Tool names may change. Problems remain constant. That is long-term safety. Skills compound over time. Audiences fluctuate. Systems endure. One more important mindset shift. This is not passive income. It is leveraged income. Leverage beats passivity. I is leverage. Processes are leverage. Clarity is leverage. Use all three together. That is the edge. Most people never combine them. If you want ideas fast, look at Durable for quick sites. Use creative.ai for ads. Use Runway for promos. Mix tools intentionally. Never overwhelm workflows. Simplicity protects profits. Profits fund experimentation. Experimentation finds breakthroughs. Breakthroughs come quietly. Before we wrap up, tool links are listed in the description. Rewatch this video slowly. Each step matters. Rushing skips money. Build one offer this week. Send 10 messages. Improve delivery speed. Collect feedback. Adjust calmly. The future rewards operators. I removes entry barriers. Execution becomes rare. Rare skills pay premiums. You are early enough. Not forever, but early enough now. Use this window wisely. Next videos go deeper. We build ahead together. Subscribe to stay ahead weekly. Turn on notifications now. Do not miss upcoming breakdowns. Each upload stacks advantage. Consistency beats inspiration. Systems beat hustle. Calm focus wins. Thanks for watching today. The next shift is closer. You will be ready. Keep learning actively. Test ideas in small batches. Track what converts. Kill what does not. Scale what works. That is business. I just accelerates it. No audience required. Only action required. Start now thoughtfully. Your first client changes perspective. Everything becomes clearer then. Fear drops quickly. Momentum replaces doubt. This path stays open. Few will take it. You can decide today. Build quietly. Earn steadily. Stay curious.